Hi, and welcome to Sam's School's The Physics Edition. Today we're going to be talking about displacement and velocity. So, what is displacement? Displacement is the change in position and is measured in units of length. And that might sound like a lot for you right now, but what displacement is basically the change in the x-axis. Like if they're moving, the change from point A to point B. And the way we figure out displacement is through the equation D equals D final minus D initial. So displacement is a vector quantity, meaning that it has both direction and magnitude. Here is a very tricky question for displacement. Here we can see that this person will run around the court once, and we want to know the official distance. And the official distance is, I'm going to give you guys here 3 seconds to figure it out. Ready? 3, 2, 1. The answer is 0. And you might be asking, why, Sam? The track is 200. But displacement is all about the point you start at and stop at. We start at the same point and stop at the same point, meaning that we didn't really move at all in displacement. So displacement would be 0. So velocity is one of the other fundamental concepts that we need to know for kinetics. Kinematics. Velocity is the change in position over time, and we figure that out due to velocity being d2 minus d1 over t2 minus t1. And velocity is a vector quantity just like displacement. So here I'm going to write the equation down, and then I'm going to read the question. The object travels 8 seconds with an average speed of 160 meters per second. The distance traveled by the object is, so I'm just simply going to plug in 160 meters per second equals whatever distance is times time, which is 8 seconds. So, and that would be distance equals 1280 meters, or 1,280 meters, which is choice number 3. And here is another graph that represents velocity versus time. And we're going to get more into detail with these graphs later on. But let's read the question. The graph below represents velocity versus time relationship for a ball thrown vertically upward. The time 0 represents the time of release. The question says, during the time interval between 1 second and 2 seconds, the displacement of the ball from the point from where it was released is. So I want you all to take a guess, and I'm going to give you again 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Now you might be thinking it decreases, Sam, because the line's going down, and I'm going to have to say that is not the truth. And you might be asking, why, Sam? And this is why. Velocity is a vector quantity, like we said before. And vector quantities follow direction. And you might be asking, what does that have to do with this? So the velocity is only becoming negative because the ball is here, so the ball is here where it is a positive value, and when it goes to a negative value, then the velocity slowly becomes negative. So the ball is still moving, but it is moving in a negative direction, making velocity negative. So the displacement would be increasing. Bye-bye. And next time, we will be talking about acceleration. Bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and hit the little bell icon for my notifications whenever I release a video. And bye.